Hello, so today we are making these round crochet coasters. So mine has 10 centimeters and I'm using cotton yarn and 5mm crochet hook. So first we are going to start by making magic circle. You wrap your yarn around your fingers like this and pull crochet hook underneath like this, then hold it and wrap around 1 time. So this is our magic circle, and now we are going to chain 2, and this will count as our first double crochet, and we are going to make 11 more double crochets into this magic ring. So wrap around like this, pull through 1 and 2, again in the magic circle like this, 1 and 2. So you can take that string and pull it to make a magic circle smaller. It is easier this way. And we are going to make 12 double crochets into this magic ring for our first row. And now we are going to pull like this to close it and make a slip stitch into that first double crochet that we did. Like this. And now for the second row we are going to chain 2. This counts as our first double crochet, and into each of these 12 stitches we are going to make 2 double crochets. So this is first one, 1. You see that 2 strings, we are going to pull through both of them like this. So this is first double crochet and second into the same loop, and now we move to the next loop, 1 and 2, and you make 2 double crochets into each of these 12 loops. When you get to the last loop, we are just going to make 1 because we did that chain 2 in the first place. So in the last loop, we are going to make just 1 double crochet and slip stitch into that chain 2 that we did. because that first chain 2 counts as our first double crochet. And this is the end of the second row. And now we are going to start third row by making 2 chains or chain 2, and then we are going to make 1 double crochet into the first loop. Then in the second loop we are going to make 2 double crochets, so this is 2, and you are just going to do 1 2 1 2. So in the third loop we are going to make again 1 double crochet, and in the fourth loop we are going to make 2 double crochets into the same loop. You should have 36 double crochets in the third row. So in the first row we are making 12, in the second 24, and in the third row 36. So in the last loop we are just going to make 1 double crochet, because that first chain 2 counts as our double crochet. And now we are just going to slip stitch into that chain 2 and chain 1 and cut the yarn, pull through like this, and this is our round crochet coaster. And we are just going to pull this leftover strings through a few of these stitches in our coaster to secure it, and then we are going to cut it. You can use a crochet needle like I did here, or you can just pull it with your crochet hook. And this is it. And we are done. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!